Transform your bathroom into a luxurious retreat with Lux Bathroom Renovations, Western Australia's leading renovation experts. Welcome to Lux Bathroom Renovations. I'm Luke, the owner of Lux. Here at Lux Bathroom Renovations, we take pride in making your dream bathroom a reality. Our process starts with a thorough consultation to understand your vision. We meet with you to thoroughly plan your renovation in our custom showroom, considering your style, tile, colour and fixture preferences.
Hi, I'm Jason, the Project Manager at Lux. We design and plan every detail of your project, ensuring that your renovation is stress-free. Our team uses only the highest quality materials and fixtures, guaranteeing a durable and stunning result. We select only the best in the industry to be part of the Lux team.
At Lux, we prioritise a seamless bathroom renovation experience. From demolition to handover, we ensure everything runs smoothly, keeping you informed every step of the way. We strive for 100% customer satisfaction. Our goal is to provide you with a space you will love for years to come, making your dream a reality. Lux Bathroom Renovations, your dream renovation team, bringing luxury to your lifestyle. Visit luxbathroomrenovations.com.au.